Hi, I'm Christine, a director of product here at Intercom. Customer behavior has evolved, technology has advanced, and yet CSAT remains unchanged, outdated, and insufficient. Traditional surveys like CSAT capture only a small slice of interactions and often overrepresent extreme opinions. That leaves a lot of customers left unheard. But no longer. Enter the CX score, a breakthrough AI-powered metric that gives you a complete view of your support quality across every customer conversation. No surveys required. Now, let's get into the product and I'll show you how it works. So we'll start with the customer experience report. At the top is your overall CX score. It's a percentage calculated from conversations based on a 1 to 5 scale. It's based on 100% of your meaningful conversations, so you get far more coverage than traditional surveys. In fact, most customers see 5 times more rated conversations. In this example, almost 25,000 conversations were assessed automatically, and each rating is driven by 3 key signals: customer sentiment, which analyzes the emotional tone and language used throughout the conversation; resolution status, we detect whether the customer's issue was resolved, even if they didn't say so directly; and service quality, we look at things like clarity, helpfulness, and how quickly the team or Fin responded to the customer. So the model takes all of that information and it scores the conversations from 1 through 5, and we'll show you that distribution. But we'll also roll that up for you into your CX score. So for this customer, 76% of conversations scored either a 4 or a 5. And just below all of these scores, we'll show you how this is plotting over time. That way you can quickly spot trends and understand what's improving or what's slipping. And if you've made changes to how your team works, this view helps you see their impact right away. For example, if you roll out new Fin tasks or tweak a teammate workflow, you'll quickly see whether scores trend up or down week over week. This report is purely focused on the customer experience. We've removed surveys from the dashboard to keep the signal clear. Of course, survey data is still available elsewhere where you need it, but we believe the CX score is what should be front and center. It's the most complete and reliable indicator of the experience that you and your team are delivering. But CX is not just about the top line score. If you want to dig into a specific conversation, you can. Each rated conversation includes a summary explaining why it received that score. Here, for example, we've got a conversation rated a 4. The summary shows you exactly what went well, so you can learn from it and share it with the team. As you saw, the CX score represents a fundamental shift in how teams measure quality. Using AI, it evaluates every customer conversation to give you a complete view into your customer experience. And CX is live for Fin customers today. And it's everywhere, featured in the overall CX report we started on, the Fin Performance Report, the New Topics Explorer, and the optimized dashboards. It's even in the Intercom inbox, so you can report and take action in real time. Thanks for watching.